guys are South American sea lion. They are not a seal. So how can we tell?
Wala akong makita. We know. That's right, folks. Sea lions have these big and powerful front flippers. These flippers swim a lot like a bird using its wings to fly through the air.
That's correct. And sea lions also have rotatable back flippers, so moving on them, so easy. Okay, see if I show them. There you go. So we know how sea lions move, but cruise seals are very different. They have a small front flippers and their back flippers not the same. So on land, they move a little bit funny.
Oh guys, tell me, would you like to see Sophie's imitation of a seal? Alright, Sophie, you heard that? Now show them a seal.
Okay, that looks like a seal.
And this is how a seal walks.
Alright, great imitation, Sophie. So guys, have a nice round of applause for Sophie.